the essence of this product, the number one reason is a whitening. When I mean whitening, some people don't like getting white. They only just want to tone up, but you are not invited here. Okay, but if you want to get white, you know that you really want to get white. You know, that is what is your concern about. That is why you are invited here. Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. I know it's been a while I dropped video, but I'm back. Okay, I just came back from China actually, so we went to do some, rebranding and all that. Okay, a lot of people be complaining that they're having, physical burn, and it's really costing them a lot. Mostly those who are close to their celebration, like wedding, close to your congratulation period, where everybody going to tell you congratulations, and automatically you just get burned from maybe sun or maybe from the lotion or face cream you're using. Because I know a lot of people use lotions for their face, body cream for face cream also. So anyway, no matter face cream or body cream or face cream, they're supposed to burn your face. So apparently the product, you did check the pH level of the product, or the people who produce it didn't even check the pH level of the product. So, and I did said sometimes you should be looking out for such product. That is why I said, okay, this week I will introduce something for you that you can use that can clear your knuckles, and also that can clear your dark areas, and also it can clear every your nails and elbow, what you can use. And we have the face cream also, it can also clear your sunburn also. So now I'm just introduced to you our baby white. You can see it's still labeled in the Chinese name, but actually is baby white serum. Baby white, you can call it baby white oil or baby white serum. Now let me tell you about this oil. For those of you who will be complaining that yes, your skin get burnt, or your face gets burnt, sunburn, or your body, you have these dark knuckles, you have wrinkles, and when you use your product, it doesn't work. When you use whitening product, doesn't work on you. You don't know your skin is tough, your skin is hard, whichever way you might call it. This product, the essence of this product, the number one reason is a whitening. When I mean whitening, some people don't like getting white. They only just want to tone up, but you are not invited here. Okay, but if you want to get white, you know that you really want to get white. That is what is your concern about. That is why you are invited here. You want to get white, and when you want to get white, it should be all uniform. Not your face will be a little bit black, some side will be red, some side will be or your body will be red, or some side will be black, some side will be white. Use it. You use it for all your body. That's the beautiful thing about this baby white serum or baby white oil, you can call it. All right, we just landed, and I told you this one is not Thailand product. This is a Chinese product. Okay, it's a Chinese product that I actually went there and we made it together. I gave them my formula and they did it for me the way I want it to be. Now I still want to go deep. Some people, when you see them, they're looking aged. They are not young anymore, and they are just they are just at their 20s, maybe late 20s or late 30s, all right? But they're looking like 60s, some are looking like 40. So sometimes you should wonder, like, what's really going on with me, with my skin? You've been wondering. But the truth is, the solution is here. When you use this product, it makes you look, it gives you another look like a young, pretty, young, pretty person, like your 20s, early 20s or early 18. That's how this product makes your skin look like your skin I'm talking about. All right. Yes. Sometimes when you see all this product, if we are telling you about this product, you'll be thinking, should I try it? And you will see, like, you can see a lot of reviews on my DM. You can see on my status. You can see on my stories on YouTube and also Instagram, because this product works. It works a lot. And when you use it for your knuckles, it clears knuckles ASAP. It clears knuckles. Okay, yes, dark armpit as well. It clears them, and also it clears your elbow, dark elbow, even your thighs. You can use it for your inner thighs. It will clear it. No side effect. Okay, it is what it is. And we have the lotion. I will be talking about the lotion on live video when I come back because I'm about going for class. Let me teach them what I have to teach them today. Okay, so I'll be showing the lotion on a live video today for those of you. So instead of you burning your skin with some chemical ash product, hydroquinone, or mercury, such as that, instead of you burning your skin, you should use this. I advise you should use this. And I tell you what, in less than 14 days, you will see results. In less than 14 days, okay? You don't need to burn your skin. For those of you who said you don't like using, lotion, so this one is very, very good for you. And when you have wrinkles, it smooths your wrinkles. When you have, squeeze skin, it smooths it. It makes your skin look, clearer. Some persons, they want to do wedding celebration and they look very, they're not that ugly. Nobody is ugly, but their skin look weird, look pale, like as if they are not using lotion, or they are not using cream, or they are not using oil. So this is what is good for you. And if you have a dry skin, why not try this? You have a net skin, why not try this? Okay, it will put you on the right spot, which I've just said that your skin will look like young 20 or under 20. All right, it's a nice product. So if you want to know more about it, you can DM me on my WhatsApp and we'll talk about it. Okay, so bye and bye.